Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now we have to scroll down to the actually very bottom and find General Management, which is right here. Now let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language. As you can see here, we've got the list of 3 languages which have been currently added and applied. So we've got English, Russian and Polish. And if you'd like to add new one, all you have to do is simply tap on Add a Language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. And as you can see, this list is not as wide as it should be. And it is only because those languages are suggested by Samsung. So if you cannot find a language that you'd like to apply, all you have to do is tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on All Languages. And as you can see right now, this language list has been elongated and much more options has been added to it. But let me pick to choose something from suggested by Samsung, and simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So I will pick French, just tap on it. Here you can choose the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to use. And now your device is asking if you'd like to set the French in my case, or another language which you've chosen as a current one, as a default one. So of course you can choose set as default, or you can keep current. I will pick to set as default. Let's wait a second, and as you can see, from now on the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me get back because I'm not quite good in French. And now let me show you how to change the language without adding new ones. So for example, if you've got the language currently set on this list, you will be able to choose it. So let me tap on the language I'd like to use. As you can see, it is immediately marked, and all we have to do is simply tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first position. And actually it won't automatically change. We have to go back. Sorry, I forgot about it. And as you can see, from now on the whole system is in English. So this is how to change the language another way. So just to remember, the language which you'd like to use must be on the very first position as English right now. Okay, so actually this is how to change the language in your Samsung. And if you'd like to remove the language because for some reason you do not need to have I don't know, 3 additional languages on this list, then all you have to do is simply tap on this edit icon and mark all of those which you'd like to remove. Tap on this trash bin icon and tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so it means that we successfully removed all of them. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.